Namaskar friends, I am your host and dost Pawan Kumar Jha, educationist and psychologist. Today we will discuss the fourth topic of class 11th psychology chapter 1st. Let us begin. So NCERT class 11 chapter 1st of the psychology, that is what is psychology, and today's topic is development of psychology in India. Let us begin with a famous quote of an Indian psychologist Ram Dass. It is important to expect nothing, to take every experience including the negative ones as merely steps on the path and to proceed. So the study of psychology, it is important to expect nothing and take every experiences including the negative ones and steps on the path to proceed. Let us begin the topic. So today's topic is development of psychology in India. It starts with the year 1905, in which the University of Kolkata was the first to introduce psychology as a subject in the year 1905. It was taught at that time under the philosophy subject. In 1916, first psychology department at the Kolkata University is established. In this department, Narendra Nath Sen Gupta was asked to become the chairman of the newly established department. Narendra Nath Sen Gupta is often called as the father of psychology in India. Sen Gupta's responsibilities as a chairman included the development of psychology program, teaching psychology and laboratory research in psychology at the Department of Psychology, Kolkata. Next development came in 1922 when psychology was included in Indian Science Congress Association in that year. It has now been accepted as a science subject in the Indian Science Congress Association. Next in the timeline, in 1924, Indian Psychological Association (IPA) was founded. In the 1925, IPA, Indian Psychological Association, launched the first journal of India, that is Indian Journal of Psychology. It was launched in 1925. Then in the 1928, N.N. Sen Gupta and Radha Kamal Mukherjee publishes the first textbook on social psychology, that is the first textbook from Indian in the psychology. The publisher was Allen and Unwin, London. In the 1940, the Lumbin Park Hospital for Mental Diseases was founded at Kolkata. It is the first psychopathological institution to treat the psychopathological patients in India particularly. In 1945, Psychological Research Wing of the Defence Science Organisation of India is established. It is established in Delhi as a part of the DRDO. In 1950, at this institute, research in military physiology began through a small group of scientists and medical physiologists at Defence Science Laboratory, which is situated in Delhi, DRDO. In 1962, a full-fledged laboratory was established with the thirst area of high altitude physiology, nutrition and biochemistry of human in severe stress environment and ergonomic assessment of the workstations and man-machine interface, which is the basis of the research in the military or the defense sector. So in 1962, the full-fledged laboratory was established in Delhi. The name given to this laboratory was DEPAS. DEPAS was officially established on 20 September 1962. The full form of DEPAS is the Defence Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences. It is an Indian Defence Laboratory of the Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO. Located in Delhi, it conducts physiological and biomedical research to improve human performance in extreme and wartime environment, particularly required in the defense sector. DIPAS is organized under Life Sciences Directorate of the DRDO, which has started the research in psychology, particularly for the warfare and machine. In 1968, the DIPAS laboratory was relocated within the premises of Army Base Hospital, Delhi Cantonment. In 1993, the lab was shifted to its present permanent premises at Lucknow Road, Timarpur, Delhi, the DRDO Center for DIPAS. Then comes the Bureau of Psychology, is established at Allahabad in 1954. In 1973, National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, is established at Bangalore. It is one of the foremost institutions for mental health diseases and its treatment. Then in 1962, Hospital for Mental Diseases in Ranchi is established, the third foremost institution for the mental diseases and its treatment in India. In 1962 itself, the Indian Academy of Applied Psychology, IAAP, was established. In 1968, the Indian Association of Clinical Psychologists was formed, whereas in 1989, National Academy of Psychology, NAOP, India, was founded at the Bhopal. Recently, in 1997, National Brain Research Centre, NBRC, is established at Gurgaon, Haryana. NBRC is a neuroscience research group situated in the Manesar, Gurgaon district, Haryana of India. It is an autonomous government institute which is accredited with the deemed to be university status in the recent years, so that it can conduct independent research. It is a nodal center under Department of Biotechnology of the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. NBRC was dedicated to the country on 14th November 1997 and it was formally inaugurated at its current location of the Manesar, Gurgaon district, Haryana in December 2003 by then President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. Friends, that's all for the day. In the next video, we will discuss evolution of psychology, particularly the Western developments. Thanks for staying with us. I am Pawan Kumar Jha, founder of Neelkant Education, psychologist and educationist. Make sure you have liked our video and also subscribe our channel if you still have not subscribed it. That really inspires us to work better and make more videos. We will meet again. Namaskar.